How to install and activate Yanmar SA-Direct 2. 45, welcome! Today, I will guide you through the installation and activation process for the Yanmar SA-Direct version 2 Diagnostic Tool. Let's get started. First, open your installation folder. Locate the file named Yanmar Diagnostic Tool Direct 2 and run it. Select English as your setup language and click OK to proceed with the Install Shield wizard. When the customer information window appears, enter DiagTech for both username and organization. Enter the serial number as shown on your screen, specifically starting with 4 archivijig followed by 1000-02939. Click Next to continue. After the initial setup, we need to apply the update. Go back to the folder and find the Replace application. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This step is crucial to ensure the software recognizes the version 2. 45 components. To maintain a stable offline connection, open the Firewall app blocker. Drag and drop the direct executable files into the list to block them from accessing the internet. This prevents the license from being revoked during updates. Launch the SmartAssist-Direct software. Enter your UserID, in this case INEX 8008, and your password. You will see that you are now running the offline version. From the main menu, you can choose between industrial engines, agriculture, marine, or construction equipment. You are now ready to perform diagnostics. Thank you for watching this tutorial!